Let me show you how to make perfectly coated one-pan gnocchi that melts in your mouth like clouds. Smooth and silky gnocchi that are incredibly creamy and will impress everyone at your table. It's easier than you think, with a step-by-step recipe that you can make in no time. This is how you make one-pan creamy chicken gnocchi. Cut the chicken breasts or chicken thighs into smaller pieces. I have 400 grams of chicken breasts cut off tenders. Cut the chicken breasts into strips. Then cut them into small pieces. Put the sliced meat in a bowl and season lightly. Salt, pepper. Give it a good massage and let it rest at least for 20 minutes. Cooking oil. Heat the pan to a higher temperature to sear the meat quickly. Place the chicken in the pan and spread it around. For this recipe, use a deeper pan. 2 or 3 minutes on each side. You are looking for a beautiful brown color. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Clean the pan with a paper towel. Finely chop 2 shallots. Heated pan, oil and shallots go in. Add 2 teaspoons of dried tomatoes. Add 1 crushed large clove of garlic. I have 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Pour a little into the pan so that the garlic doesn't burn. Add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Fast mix and return meat. Blanch 100 grams of baby spinach. It's very simple. Take a heat-proof bowl and put the spinach in it. Then pour boiling water from the kettle over it and let it blanch for 1 to 2 minutes. Then strain the spinach. Look how that pile has shrunk. Now you need to stop the cooking process as quickly as possible. You can do it by placing the spinach in cold water. When the spinach has cooled, dry it and leave it to dry. Now you can add the spinach to the pan, add the rest of the heavy cream, pepper, salt, pinch of cayenne pepper. Bring salted water to a boil. Add the gnocchi and cook them. When they start to float, cook them for 2 minutes. Add the cooked gnocchi, stir and you are done. Of course, prepare the spinach and gnocchi before you start frying the chicken. Or do it before you start cooking the sauce. If you have made it this far, I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite gnocchi recipes or tips? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are looking for more delicious ideas, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for inspiration.